Good afternoon, madam. Well done, ma'am.
Congratulations.
On what, ma'am?
I actually tested you with my daughter to see if you're going to sleep with her, but you passed the test.
Jesus, everything I test.
You're somebody I can rely on. In fact, I'm going to be increasing your salary from 50,000 naira to 300,000 naira.
Madam!
Because I can now trust you with my daughter.
Yes, it's good to be a good man. As a robot man, I don't take advantage of people. I'm a nice person. Thank you very much.
Because the last houseboy I got.
What's the no? What did that?
Are you okay?
So what's up, my people? What's up? It's your boy OBIKING, and welcome back again to another episode of my comedy reaction. You know what I do, comedy reaction 100%. So make sure you stick to the very end. Watch this video finish. Just make sure you watch and finish, and then tell me what you love most about this video. You understand? So don't play it. Let's go have some fun. Yeah, Nash.
Neighbor, what's up now?
I did fine.
Hi, you need to go work.
Work? I don't get work now.
Which one will not get work? Go apply for work now.
Neighbor, as I will go apply for work for us, I will work there after apply for.
No, understand. It's that up on me.
You know, not only you now work.
Stop,
neighbor,
abeg.
neighbor.
Stop. I need the light, man. I need the light that kind of talk.
Why
I
you
won't
do?
charge my phone. My phone is so down like this. My meter is off. This so down, I beg. I won't charge my phone.
I don't want they just small. Come inside, let me go charge them.
Neighbor, I need to come inside. Don't tell me to come inside, abeg, because the last time I come in the house, I know wetin happen. That girl, I don't know if na your girlfriend, I be na your sister. The way that girl take look me from head to toe, even they talk, sef, I don't know wetin she dey talk. Like, I don't want that kind of insult to happen again. I beg.
See, neighbor, you see that that girl waiting for Saintbellington Zoo. I don't pursue one. Like, I don't even break up.
Na lie.
Neighbor, I said don't break up with
Na
that girl.
lie.
Neighbor, see, you even get one of my girlfriend where you don't know, I don't break up with
Why
that
you
girl.
just turn your nyash? We just see your nyash. Camera just carry, just show your nyash.
Neighbor, I get charger now. Neighbor, I get better charger. Charger with the fast, the charger the fast thing. You go like him. Neighbor. Eh? See, you go like the charger. You go charge this your phone, you no go take time.
What's love?
Neighbor.
We just show the girl nyash. We just show.
Neighbor.
It's not possible. What mean cheat? How can I not see anything to pin on this guy? He ought to be cheating. This guy is cheating.
Jesus. Baby, good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'm looking for my phone.
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, see you then.
Babe, please, can I use your iPad? I want to just do something. 5 minutes.
My iPad? Well, I wanted to use my iPad to hotspot my laptop. I have it soon.
5 minutes now. It will not hurt you. 5 minutes. Please.
Okay, you know what? You give me your phone to hotspot my laptop.
Jesus.
God have
Jesus.
mercy upon us.
Blood of Jesus.
Okay, I'm about to get my Zoom. I'm about to go do this Zoom call. Don't disturb me.
Take your time.
How I did enter this kind of water?
She want make sure
Hello,
say.
Daddy. I've been waiting for your call. Now you don't send me the money.
Listen, I'm going to send you the money, okay? You know I'm always using my wife's phone to communicate with you. Listen, just in case my wife call you by any chance, you know the magic words.
Yes, now I know the magic word. Believe. For those who don't believe are unbelievers, and only unbelievers are allowed to perish.
You're a very naughty girl.
I use and rubber, my lord.
I'm blocking you right now. I'll send you the money later.
Okay, my lord.
Clean boy. Don't worry. I'll give you breasts tonight.
I will not change. I love women. I love women around me. And I cannot be faithful.
Talkless.
Talkless.
Father,
Take the 200,000 naira. My sugar daddy give me.
you gotta give 20,000 naira. Now they enjoy you.
Talkless, when we dey school, remember I said you dey spend money anyhow. Who say you not go use this money carry women?
Why you do like that now? That time when I did school, I don't live a life. So now I don't understand. This money is for business. I did.
Ready?
Hey, okay.
What's going on here?
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
You're looking restless.
Yes, I'm good.
Okay. By the way, Where is the envelope you picked from my room?
I spent it.
You spent it.
Yes.
That envelope is in dollars, so.
Dollars.
This is the right envelope you're supposed to pick.
How come?
That envelope is $200,000.
200,000. Give me Talkless.
Jesus.
Hey!
You gonna explain?
No.
Who is Talkless?
You gonna talk mad.
You don't bust the passport. You don't dust the passport.
You don't go pay my house rent. You won't carry my money go where I don't know. Now because money no is $100, I dey start like this.
Oh yeah, pay. Oh yeah.
Come up from here. I don't have to do it. Mr. Man, you're under arrest.
Why are you running?
Lord, you follow talk.
No, anything you say, you need to do to the court of law.
I know they there.
You know they there.
You tell me also now they collect my money. I know they there.
Let's give me this dollar first.
You still collect the number.
You still get international passport. Bring am. Sorry, sir, please. Ajay, the international cell I won't go.
International.
Jesus.
What is it?
Sorry, small madam. You actually sent for me.
Yes, I sent for you.
Sorry.
Come and help me rub my cream at my back.
Is that what?
Come and help me rub my cream at my back.
Hey, small madam, you know if I help you rub your cream at your back, it might lead to somewhere high.
And? Doesn't matter. Come rub my cream at my back, Joel.
You
I
get
can't
it?
stretch my hand. So just help me. You know what?
Thank you for saving me. Thank you, my Lord.
You don't know. Wow, you get sense, sir. Balo, you really get sense.
Hey, madam.
What's wrong?
Nothing, no, small madam.
Okay, I wanted you to come upstairs to my room and help me do something.
Allah, I should come to your room and help you do something.
Yes, my room upstairs.
Hey!
Why are you acting up?
I'm not acting up, bro.
Come now, let's go. Come upstairs.
I'm coming.
He shot you.
That's what I'm doing for you. Small madam. Yes, I'm here.
Sure, I won't put this guy for trouble.
Towel? Yeah. Oh, okay. Small madam, this is the towel.
Okay, bring it for me.
Okay. Take.
Come inside and bring it now. You're not waiting.
You said I should come inside?
Yes, no. Sabalo, inside.
Small madam, please don't let me come inside. Take it like this.
Sabalo, no.
No, don't worry, small madam, take. Jesus, go. Now why people know the help?
Come on, you get
I hope
control.
you like our new houseboy.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, madam. Well done, ma'am.
Congratulations.
On what, ma'am?
I actually tested you with my daughter to see if you're going to sleep with her, but you passed the test.
Jesus, everything I test.
You're somebody I can rely on. In fact, I'm going to be increasing your salary from 50,000 naira to 300,000.
Hey! Madam!
Because I can now trust you with my daughter.
Yes, it's good to be a good man. As a robo man, I don't take advantage of people. I'm a nice person. Thank you very much.
Because the last houseboy I got.
What's the no? What's in that?
Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I'm fine.
Because the last houseboy I got.
Oh my God, what happened to Benji? What happened to Benji? Oh my
What is
God.
that guy? You do
You are bad guy.
Come on. 18. Now you can get to 20. Come on. 19. Now come on. Go. Let's go.
Don't cry.
Jesus.
That's it.
You don't connect.
Alright, everyone. Let's start.
What be this?
Is this your real body?
As you can see, I walked out.
Oh, God gave you body. Went and do your own body.
I said, will you walk out of here? Walk out. You never see that.
Wanna give and do
Jesus.
Next. This is God's creation. Heaven, please.
Hey, bro, make I call you back.
Fire. They go if I kick you.
Hold up.
Hey!
Wait a minute.
Is this real?
Yes, Angel. Everything is natural.
Heaven, please.
There's here. You, I don't see you before. Come, help me. Jesus.
Senior.
I hope you know I know your doctor. So what? Go and meet him here. Jesus! Fast.
No, you're let devil, you're you.
Jesus Christ. Yes! Oh, sorry. Next! You walk out? Yes. Hey, fire! Nasty! You are close to 20. You can do it, believe!
Believe it.
Like that rubbish with me.
Maybe you go wife. I'll be your next target.
Alpha, relax. Relax.
You want to go get stomach? Your friend is just to me. You know they walk out there.
I'm supposed to give you a snake. You said yes. If I let you die now, you think I say you died.
Allow me to enjoy me.
Intercourse with you.
Madam, sorry.
Okay, where's the fuel I had to get for me?
Madam, is there?
Oh, so I should suck it in. I should use my mouth to put inside the generator, abi?
No, madam.
No problem. Aboaba is your matter. Follow me upstairs now. We are going to go and do something.
Eh?
I said you follow me upstairs. I want to do something.
Okay, madam.
Come with me, my friend. Nonsense.
Madam.
Take this. Come and rub it on my back.
Eh?
I said take this. Rub it on my back.
Madam, please. Oga is the military. Oga will kill me.
If you don't want to lose your job, take this now and rub it on my back. Be a good boy.
Chai, this is an opportunity I don't want to miss. Hey.
Won't you come close and touch me? Fondle my chest. Hold me. Hang my legs. Spread my legs. Come on.
Spread with it.
Baby! Musa was just about to rape me. He was just about to sleep with me.
Jesus!
I just told him to get fuel and he came inside and he was arresting me.
Madam. All my life as a military man, no one has ever dared to step on my toes. Musa. Eh? You are dead.
Allah.
Hey, Thaedoboy, come up for here. Thaedoboy, come up for here now. Come up for here.
Thaedoboy, choose Thaedoboy, choose tomato. Now your cat is Thaedoboy.
Brethren, may the power, lady, go you see bread from my hand. May the peace of love be with
God
you.
have mercy upon
Be with you too. I'm here to share the word of God with you. You don't chop. Man shall not live by bread alone. Oh, not true. I don't forget. I'm here to share the scripture of God with you. Share them. Do you know that Jesus loved you? He died for you and me. And he said, love your neighbor as yourself. Bros, if you pass me that bread, what the price? I pass them before you pass up. Thank you.
If not be Jesus Christ, where they won't belong. I want
We're hungry. Wait for me. Just go chop.
I will slap you.
Me? Oh yeah, slap me now. Slap me.
You sick.
What did you slap me? You slapped me because of this girl. Have you gone nuts? How dare you? On a chair, you want your sister slap me?
Why would you slap me? What did I do? My prince, what's the problem? Hey, get out!
What?
Free trip to Canada.
When you go to
Oh, just one good dancer. One good dancer. Just one dancer. One good one. For a free trip. Fully paid by us.
To Canada.
Come back. Just one. And we're working with the best when it comes to traveling. Changing what now got us covered. Is it booking of flights? Is it vacation? We are working with the best and we paid. Isn't it? Eat it. Eat it. So why is it so hard to get those one good dancer?
What's going on?
I think they just discovered my piano.
Wait till they want this one. Who will be this one?
God have mercy upon us. Jesus.
Before people would come here, I could have killed a lot.
So how they play?
It's out!
Sauce.
5 years of madness.
Hey! Relax! Go cry! God have mercy upon us.
Hope
you know it's just only one baby oil. And it will be enough for us.
Jesus!
Just calm down.
If you behave yourself, we'll go easy on you. If you do us well, we'll do you well.
Out of me and you, what go take ground? Dead body for surplus. Yeah.
He done good. Hey, man! Don't let him go! We can't let that waste. He's a potential stripper.
Comment tu t'appelles? Je m'appelle Jerry.
So you like that, Sabi? I like it, sir. You're saying it. Yes, sir. 200 is How far tempo? How far now where you dey? Bro, I don't find house. You know me now? For where? For heart of Lekki. For Lekki let you find us. With your budget. Make them not scam you. The guy no be scammer. You sure? Yeah, he look like person wey get money. Okay. The guy na mad. I will call you back. I won't make payment.
Go.
No fair, sir.
It's okay. 2 rooms and parlor. 213,000. So when are you making your payment?
Now, sir. You don't know. No, I come out for you now. What did these people do for you? Let's say this place is not secure.
Don't worry. We need them later.
I don't send them.
I don't see her.
Don't know why.
It's nice in business with you, eh?
You too much.
Thank you,
sir. I appreciate it.
You enjoy this house, yeah? You enjoy the house.
If I hear say you go enjoy it.
Jesus!
No lights for this compound. Electrician.
I mean.
Messi.
I mean.
You dey tell me something on my wisdom.
Water no dey rush for this plumber.
Now they regret that.
Now you what this guy they build. No, now they ask me everybody they run from. He go rent am.
No network. Who they do Wi-Fi?
The age 25 years is a scam. This is the age where the powers, things you don't know, you're supposed to know and you don't know them.
Blow away the bank of us now.
Will come visiting you. This is when they will come for you to know them.
Alpha, no messing. Fire!
Out of Lekki now you see house. They tell you 200 and what you say they tell you 213,000 and beauty for Lekki. 2 rooms and parlor. How is that very possible? It's not even possible at all. My people, what's your favorite part of the video? Let's see it right there in the comment section. And you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. Please check them out. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you're yet to do that. Share this video and drop nice comments. See you in my next video, guys. Peace out.